take a few minutes and walk through the actual steps that you would use as an affiliate marketer to build an email list and then follow up with that email list. Let's take a look here at something called WaterDrop K6, the first to market instant hot water reverse osmosis system. Now, this is an example, and you go here and you see these features, the features of the product that you're an affiliate for, and you believe in this product because it answers the questions to these problems. Are you troubled by these problems? And then you as an affiliate are creating content based around the fact that bad water has bad taste or water has bad taste. But if you use this filtration system, the long time that you have to wait is gone. Lime scale buildup is gone. You have this issue of inaccurate temperatures, and the reverse osmosis system of this instant hot water dispenser for purification and heating is the thing that is going to solve the problem that your audience has. Now, where did I find this? I simply went over to ShareASale and I found this product, and this product works. I know this product works because I've done my research as an affiliate. I believe in the product. I even bought the product. I have one of my own. Of course, this is all an example I'm using here for this particular product to show you that it doesn't matter what the product is, but it is the same process, and you do this step by step to move forward with this concept or the strategy, a simple strategy that I call the top strategy. In this case, you are answering why you need an instant hot water heating for drinking water. And then you find answers like you see here. Tankless water heaters, also known as demand typed or instantaneous water heaters, provide hot water only as it is needed. People also ask, is there a benefit to tankless water heaters? These are the questions you're answering, and this is why people will join your email list, and you can start for free, start building an email list for free with an email autoresponder called GetResponse. You can get that for free. There's a link in the description. Now we get into actual strategy of traffic. The reason I walked you through all that is because you really have to understand what you're doing is building content around the problem, or you're identifying the problem and then you are giving the solution. So you're saying to your audience, I know you have this problem, I have the solution. That is traffic. It is content that leads over to the offer to help them. In the case of building an email list, it is more information about these problems and the solution that you have. That offer leads to adding people, or when you identify that problem and you give the offer of more information, it moves people over to your email list where you follow up with them with additional offers or more information about that offer so they will make the purchase. I cover this in the Affiliating Accelerator where I talk about going from zero to profit. We move through each one of these phases: traffic, offer, and people is where we're at right now, because we're simply talking about how to actually build a list. And I wanted to give a real example of a real product with a real problem where you identify the solution and you go through this process. The process of understanding that you have to generate content that will become traffic. In this case, we'll use the example of YouTube where you have decided to talk about the benefits of this product. You have seen the features based upon the features that they've given you over at the sales page for this product, but now you want to offer the benefits, and you do that on YouTube, and that traffic or that content that you create turns into traffic, and it goes over to the offer, which is the squeeze page, where you give additional information or additional reasons for needing this product. People sign up, they go on your email list, and then you send them over to the affiliate offer sales page. We are focused here on adding people to the email list, and we're going to be taking a look at how to do that, how to actually add people to an email list, to how to build an email list as an affiliate marketer step by step. First step is to obviously get the tool that you need. Link in the description, grab your free account. After you grab your free account, you can follow along. We're going to be jumping in and going to the tools, taking a look at the tools we need. We're going to be building a landing page. We're going to be using the autoresponders. Autoresponder is simply a follow-up. If you know about the rule of 7, the marketing rule of 7, where you have to continuously follow up at least 7 times, people need to hear the same message to really understand the impact of the solution that you're offering. I made a video about that. I'll leave it up in the cards. You can check it out. But the idea is this tool is going to automatically follow up with the people that you add to your list about this offer and why it's so important for them to buy so you can earn a commission. We start this process with what is called contacts inside of GetResponse. Again, you're following along, free account, you can do all this. Go ahead, select contacts. When you're inside of contacts, this is where you build a list. It literally says create list. You simply just click on that button. In this case, it was a water drop filter system, so we'll keep it simple and we'll just call it water drop filter system. Of course, this can be whatever you need it to be so you understand it, and you simply go ahead and you say create. That created a list right there that you see. This is where all the people that are interested in your information or getting more information about the product that you're promoting as an affiliate are going to sign up, and they are going to be stored right here. The next thing we need to do is go back to tools, and we're going to create a landing page. Don't forget what we're doing here. We are creating content over on YouTube. In this example, that is the traffic that comes over to our squeeze page. In this case, in the tool, the Get Response tool, it's called a landing page. This is where your traffic, your audience is going to sign up to your email list. So we're going to create the squeeze page, which is a landing page. That's what they call it in Get Response. And then we're going to add people to an email list, which is the contact list that we created for this specific product. So again, we're going to get traffic from the content over to our offer, and we're going to add those people to a list so we can follow up with more content. And that content will have affiliate links as well back over to the affiliate offer sales page so we can earn a commission. So once you're inside of landing pages, you'll simply select create landing page, and then you'll be presented with all these templates. You simply just need to pick a template that makes sense, something that you think resonates with the message, but also understand that you're going to be looking through these templates, and as you look through them, understand that you will need to edit this template so it makes sense, so it matches your offer, your audience, the feel, what it is you're trying to convey to your audience about the benefits, and the fact that if they add their email address to this page, that they're going to be confident that they're going to get the information that they are looking for. So we'll just go ahead and grab one here, a simple one. We'll select that template. It will bring up the template here that we're going to be able to edit. Again, this is for contact system cameras, but it doesn't matter. You're going to have to change all this. You're going to have to make it so that it aligns with your message and the product that you're talking about. Again, we'll just call that water drop filter system because that's the product. The steps you're going through here, this is step by step, but understand that this is the process. This is how you get to where you want to be and actually build a list. The first step is obviously getting the tool and then understanding that this tool, you're going to have to walk through it, learn it, build out all the pieces to actually build an email list, to get people onto a list, to follow up with them. Remember, we're going to be reusing the marketing rule of 7, meaning we're going to follow up with people at least 7 times. So we're going to have to create, or we're going to create at least 7 emails to make sure we have the best opportunity to earn a commission. And we do that with following through with this step by step. And again, just understanding that if we follow along with the top strategy, we are generating traffic from the content. We are setting up our offer, giving people more information, building that squeeze page. And then once those people say yes, they want that information inside of our offer that's going to give them the solution to their problem, we're simply going to add those people to an email list. And again, just like I talk about in the Affiliate Accelerator, you can go from 0 to profit very simply with these 3 foundational phases and build out each one: traffic, offer, people. Then you can walk through these 9 steps. If you'd like more information about this and how it's done in detail to walk through all these 9 steps, there's also a link in the description that takes you over and shows you inside of my top strategy. But right now, let's get back to actually building this email list, actually building an email list and following up with people. Here you can see this is Cameras for Life. This is simply a drag and drop interface. You just simply delete the things that you don't want. So just take away all of these pieces, all of these parts, and then you would simply add right here water filter system, and then you would select this image, and then you would grab an image of the water filter system or something else that you want to convey to the people of why they're going to sign up for this information and get on your email list. Simply clicking on that, you can see here you can edit, or you can actually replace this photo. Here you have your files that you upload. You can also get free images from Get Response. So you can simply pick any of these, or you could go to the Shutterstock gallery. And here, if we're talking about clean water, you can see that you can purchase any of these. For example, a close-up pouring of fresh water right here, but that would cost you $5. So you can see here, you can go to the free Get Response images. Again, this is all free inside of Get Response. There's a link in the description, and you can simply pick one of these that looks like it makes sense, and you could just go ahead and select that to use it. And now you've added that image in right there, and you can simply resize that image as needed. And of course, all of these other things that you see here, you simply just delete those. You're simply just walking through this process of learning and editing this page, and you were just simply putting this image here to get rid of this. I said replace it, didn't replace it. Again, these are things that you learn as you move through here. You can see now that you've added this image. This is about the benefit that you're going to get. The thing that you're going to get when you get this water filtration system is you're going to get a better, happier life drinking this clean water. This is just making it compelling for them to sign up to your offer. And in this case, you're just going to go to the next step, and you're just simply going to walk through this. This is going to ask you about generating mobile versions. Of course, if you want to return to the editor, you click that. It's going to show you the mobile version of this. And you can see here all these things that you would want to get rid of. You would simply just delete this, and then you have your squeeze page or your landing page. Again, you're creating for free, and these are all the steps that you have to do to actually build an email list, or to get people over to the list so you can actually follow up with them. Then you just move on through this, say next step, and you can just say proceed, because at this point you're just, again, walking through this process. It is a process of learning the tool. The tool is free. It doesn't cost you anything but your time, which you're going to have to spend to learn how to set up this process to actually build an email list. The big problem that most people have is they think that they simply are going to do this one time. They're going to build one page. They're going to promote one product. They're going to create one piece of content, and then it's all going to be over, said and done, and they're going to be a successful affiliate marketer. I'm here to tell you that's not the case. That is the honest truth. It is hard, cold facts of this is a business, and in a business, you have to create products. You have to generate things that people need again and again and again. Just like if you work at a store and you are selling a product, more people are going to come in to buy that product. You have to restock the shelves. You have to figure out why that product is selling, or if you get new products, you have to bring those products in. You have to currently and continuously be updating the products in the process. It's the same thing here when you're inside of the tool. Here now you can see your landing page settings. Of course, this is going to be your URL right here. And then you select the list that you actually want to add this to. Here you can see our water drop filter system. And you can see here that you can turn on or off the confirmed opt-in. We'll go ahead and we'll leave that off, meaning they don't have to confirm the opt-in. Then you can simply say here, you can default them to the thank you page, or you can send them to a custom thank you page. And in this case, this could actually be your URL, or your affiliate link would be the URL that you would add here. So once they sign up to your email list, then they would be redirected over to that affiliate sales page. Again, keeping that very simple, traffic over, in this case, the content coming from YouTube over to your squeeze page. They sign up here, they opt in, they opt into that list that we created about this water drop filtration system. They're being added here. We're going to create these automated emails here in a second. But the idea is they sign up and then they are redirected to the affiliate offer sales page. This is the simplest way to get started. There are other ways to do this. You could redirect them to a thank you page, but keep this super simple. Understanding you need traffic, which is the content you create, over to an offer, which is the landing page, the squeeze page that we just created in GetResponse, and putting these people on an email list and setting up and actually following up with them to get a better chance at getting them back to the affiliate offer sales page so you can earn a commission. So again, that would be your link. That would be the URL. That would be your affiliate link. There you can see I entered Google. But if you were to go back to ShareASale and that deal and look for that deal, all you would do is simply copy that page or the page utilizing your affiliate link, and then that would be the link that they would go to land on this page where they actually are selling the water drop system, where you would earn a commission. So to use that as an example, we'll go ahead and change that from Google and put that in there, and then we'll say publish. Okay, so now our page has been published, and you can see your landing page there by clicking this link. There is our water filter system. Of course, this copy will be something that we find that is relevant back over on the sales page. Also notice on the sales page, they have a blog. You can click on that blog and you can see here buyer's guides, tons of information here that you can use as content, not use as is, but learn about their product, learn about what compels people. For example, water contaminants. In this case, lead in drinking water in the U.S., facts you should know, bacterium, how do you remove nitrates from water, what is groundwater contamination, and how do you remediate it? These are all things that people that are buying this product are interested in. So you could take these, use these as headlines, tweak them, and also include these in your emails When people are signed up to get more information about the water filter system you're an affiliate for here on your squeeze page, you come back inside of GetResponse. Again, free account, link in a description. Started with contacts, building that list where we're going to put those people, building a landing page, and then coming back to autoresponders, where we're simply just going to come in here and we're literally going to add each day that we want to follow up or send another email. So for example, 0 day is the day they signed up. The first day they've been on our list, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7th day they've been on a list. You simply select the day that you want to follow up, 0 day being the first day when they're actually added to the list. Simply title that autoresponder, link it to that list. Water drop day 0, link to the list. You can see here it goes out on the same time as the sign up. You can set your from email address here. You come up with a subject line and you put content in here, content that helps solve the problem, content that you promised them when they signed up to get on your email list based upon the information you're going to put on the squeeze page, based upon the information you're putting in your content, based upon the water drop K6 system, the first to market instant hot water reverse osmosis system. Again, go back to their blog, check out their buyer's guide, their water stewardship, their home and wellness, everything here that they're talking about. When you take a look at the product, when you are an affiliate for a product and you're building an email list and you're actually adding people to that list and following up with them, you're simply just providing them more helpful content, just like you've done to get them on the list in the first place. And in that follow-up, what you're actually doing is you are building relevance in their mind that this product is actually going to solve their problem. They're going to click on your link in your emails. They're going to go over to the product page. You're going to earn a commission. And that's how you actually build an email list and use email marketing as an affiliate marketer. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Also, don't forget the links in the description take you over to GetResponse so you can get a free account. Also, you can see my top strategy in action, exactly how I do this step by step, and get some free live training that I do weekly, as well to follow up on exactly what it is I'm doing. So you can see all the tools that I use to include GetResponse, just like I showed you in this video. At first, it seems like a lot and it can be overwhelming, but that's why we are here going through this step by step and actually putting in the work. In this case, to build an email list and start following up with people to earn affiliate commissions. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.